Let me say this again. You can make money with AI generated content. You can make money with the picture you generate from AI. You can make money with your AI generated content. Let me show you something you need to know about it. For you not to get this cybersecurity violation now, what you need is to always do these two things. Number one, always post it with Facebook directly. And when you go to this place, as you see it now, when you click on what's on your mind, you see that particular AI label. Click on it. Use it to post it. And under your caption, write made by AI or generated by AI. That is the things you need to do. And secondly, always crop out those areas that you have AI logo, be it from Meta here or any other site that you generate it. Make sure you crop it out. You will end with it. I'm telling you. And don't post anyone that exposes anything that is, you know what I mean. Please don't post it on your page. But if you see all those ones like all this, you can post it on your page without violation. Thank you so much. Share this video.